Hello, I'm Ray and this is my vegetable garden, and this channel is all about growing your own fruit and vegetables and some flowers and DIY projects on the way, so please subscribe. Today we're going to build a compost bin. A lot of new allotment holders start getting allotments from September, October, and current gardeners are going to be having lots of waste and greenery to dispose of. So no time is the best time to start a new compost bin, so we can place all the summer vegetables, all the old plants, all the dead waste into the compost bin and restart. So we've got our spade and we've got some clippers, so let's start clearing the area here. So this is a bit of a wasted space and it's just been growing weeds, and this is behind my cage. I do have a small compost bin and that's full of grass with soil, and we've got our apple tree. In the background we've got our pallets that we intend to use for our compost bed. So we need to get on and clear this area. This is my current compost bins, and as you can see they're a bit worse for wear, and these were made from pallets and they must have been here now 2 to 3 years, even more. So it's time for a change and a freshen. So one of the main reasons is for moving this compost bin is in my project for the winter we intend to extend this polytunnel arch and bring it all the way here, and we're moving the path and continuing that all the way along, so this can be now fresh bedding for the new polytunnel. So it's a winter job and we can get on and do that now. So we're going to get our gloves on and we're going to clear this bit of space. Does anyone else have to wear odd gloves because they can't find the other ones? Oh well. So let's get on and move some other stuff. So we've just got a load of old pallets and basically a bit of weeds. Just some old raspberry canes that have grown out from the tunnel. So there's not really much to move here at all, so it won't take long. So these are raspberries, and these are grown all the way from in the tunnel. They've grown all the way across. So these are the pallets we're using, and these are the ones for the back, and they're not the best, strongest ones, but they are enclosed, and as my garden is next to a field, it will stop the weeds coming through into the compost bin. So we need to make this level, and we can add the backs of the compost bin. So that's the first one in place, and I like that. It's set back more than the other panel, so that's good. So this is our two boards now in place, and they've been levelled off. We're going to put a screw between the two of these, and these will hold them together. There. We can go around the back, and we can do the same again, and we'll also do one going this way. Alternatively, from screws, as you could on a smaller pallet, use cable ties, or even just use some string and wrap them round and tie them together. You can also brace it . You could also brace the back using an offcut of timber. So I've used this piece of wood and just connected the two together, as it's difficult to get down to the bottom. So this is the panel I'm going to use for the side. This is a pretty standard pallet. This one's going to be this edge, and we're putting it in with the wood this side. And we're going to make a trench for it to sit in here. So let's do that. So this is the one we're going to have on the side, and we're just putting it close to the edge, like so. And the best plan is to screw the screw in the bottom one first, and then you can come up to the top and screw the one on the top. There we go, all done.